Hi Nexthinkers, this is Pedro and I'm here today with Mario Tarallo, Product Manager. Welcome Mario. So we are very excited at Nexthink because we are just launching our Digital Experience Score, and I'm here with Mario to talk about it and also to show you how it works. So Mario, can you tell us a little bit more how this Digital Experience Score is going to change the life of our customers?
Sure. Pedro, when we talk to our customers, 4 to 1,000 companies, what we understand is that they struggle to measure this digital experience. So they struggle to say to which extent IT departments are enabling employees to be productive and satisfied. But they also struggle to trigger a continuous improvement approach. So they don't manage to identify what exactly they need to improve and how. And we wanted to fix this with the Digital Experience Score.
So that's great, Mario. So let's have a look at the product and see how Digital Experience Scores work.
So first thing to say is that everything you will see is computed out of the box. So as soon as you have the score installed, you already have powerful insights about your organization in terms of experience. And what you see here is the overview dashboard that provides a holistic understanding of the situation. For example, we can see here that the company digital experience score is of 7.5. And this already takes into account both the hard metrics that we measure on the endpoint, but also the user sentiment data that we collect by asking questions to the employees. What we can also see here is what are the areas that we consider as critical to determine what is the digital experience score. For example, what we measure is the employee experience with respect to the business applications, the device, the productivity and collaboration tools, and so on and so forth. An important part of this dashboard is also what we call the score by location. So this allows you to do some internal benchmarking. For example, to understand what are the areas or countries that are performing better or worse with respect to the others.
So when it comes to digital experience, many people are thinking about business applications, the applications they are using every day to get their job done. So how can Nexthink help there?
We have a dedicated dashboard for that indeed is called Business Applications. So where we give full visibility on the experience of the employees while trying to achieve their business task with the critical applications. And the important thing to say here is that this is completely customizable according to the customer and the industry. So a given customer may decide what are exactly the applications they want to monitor. In this example, what we have here is that we are monitoring the experience with the ERP, with Salesforce.com, ServiceNow, and so on and so forth. And for each one of these applications, not only we have the overview and the satisfaction of the end users, but also a specific drill down where we get the hard metrics that we measure. And for example, from here we can say that with respect to the ERP, there were 7 devices having crashes with that specific application.
So now all Nexthink customers, they can really measure digital experience across 6 different domains and benchmark with other companies on these scores. That's fantastic. So maybe share with the community where they can learn more from the score and how they can really access.
So existing customers can go to nexthink.com/library, where we will find a dedicated digital experience score page where all the material they need in order to get started. For all the others, in nexthink.com website, we have a page dedicated to the digital experience score with useful material and also an interesting video about that.
That's amazing. Thank you very much, Mario.